This is an Optizen video upsell tutorial to ensure your discounts show and are applied to your upsell products when you're adding an upsell to a product page. So what you'll need to do is come to the customizer, just like you did with the product upsell block for a product page. You need to come to the cart page, load up the cart page in your customizer, and then anywhere on the page, but it makes sense to do it in the main body. So the template, add a section, apps, and add the discount auto apply block. And then you can see here it's added on the right-hand side. Auto applies discount codes from Optizen Upsells, runs invisibly in the background. The notification colors automatically match your add to cart button settings from the product page upsell block. So that allows your upsell discount code to be added automatically to the upsell product, both in your cart and also the checkout.